So how to release it, you're going to pull back on the, put just one thumb here, press back in the middle, and you'll see these edges bow in, and then release pressure off the front and pull it back. I'm going to pull up on this front edge here and these corners to release it. Okay. Install down through the top. Pins are flush under this edge here. So that slides level under there. Drop the whole thing in the hole. Pull this front edge up under here. So it's still level under that edge. Still level. Push it forward.